Now, you may be familiar with PGP. PGP is a commonly used email client when you want to do all the things that we talked about. You want to encrypt messages, you want to be able to do digital signatures. And there's an interesting story with PGP because Phil Zimmermann is the one who actually developed this technology. And remember earlier I said that during like 60s or the 70s, the United States government was pretty, uncomfortable about anybody having any type of encryption capability because they were afraid it was going to fall into the enemy's hands and they couldn't sniff or understand the type of traffic that was going back and forth. So at the time, Phil Zimmermann created the first commercial crypto system which uses symmetric and asymmetric, as I've been describing. And that's what PGP is. It uses symmetric keys to encrypt the data, uses asymmetric key to encrypt that symmetric key. Now at the time, the government, the way that things were then, Phil Zimmermann basically knew that he couldn't sell it, and he really knew if he asked for permission, he would be told no. So what he did is he just put PGP up on the bulletin boards that went all over the world as a free product. And people all over started using it. And the government didn't like that. The government actually came after Phil Zimmermann with a charge of providing an enemy with a dangerous weapon. So it's the same thing as like he was selling nukes or something. That's how serious they took encryption. So the government actually went after him that he provided encryption to anybody, and it was finally dropped. PGP has improved over all the years. Now there's an enterprise version, it's used commonly, or you can have a free version for personal use.